English journey. Adjectives to describe personality and character in English. Intelligent. Intelligent. Do you think my son is intelligent? Yes, James is a very intelligent student. He understands and learns things quickly. What is your new friend like? He is friendly and kind. He is also very intelligent. Relaxed. Relaxed. She is very relaxed. I don't think anything makes her worry. Is your father nervous? No, he is always calm and relaxed. Kind. Kind. My friend helps me with math a lot. He is very kind. My grandchild is always making me happy. He is far too kind. Friendly. Friendly. They are friendly and happy to meet and talk to other people. How do you see yourself? I am friendly and kind. Patient. Patient. Tina is very patient. She never speaks loudly to her kid. Would you say you are patient or a bit impatient? I am a patient person. I can always stay calm and never get angry. Nice. Nice. My mother is very nice. She is kind and friendly. What was she like? She was very nice. Lazy. Lazy. I am lazy. I don't like working at all. They are both very lazy. Hardworking. Hardworking. My father is a hardworking man. He works hard from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day. You are a hardworking student. You will get good marks in exams. Fun. Fun. Jake is good fun. He enjoys making his friends happy. At parties, they are great fun, singing and making everyone happy. Funny. Funny. Mike is funny. His jokes make everyone laugh during family dinners. As a friend, she is funny. She makes me laugh. Tidy. Tidy. She is a tidy woman. She likes everything to be in the right place. At school, Leo is tidy, keeping his desk neat and clean. Serious. Serious. Our new boss is serious. He thinks a lot and doesn't laugh much. Don't be so serious. Let's enjoy the moment and laugh. Sense of humor. Sense of humor. He has a great sense of humor. His jokes are really funny. I am not a serious teacher. I have a good sense of humor. Shy. Shy. I can't believe he is very shy. He can't talk to his classmates. I would hate to be shy. Confident. Confident. Chloe is a confident girl. She is always sure of herself. He is confident, but he can be a bit impatient sometimes. Organized. Organized. At work, Emma is an organized person. She plans things well. How would you describe him? I'd say he is a serious and maybe an organized guy. Sporty. Sporty. Henry likes sport and is very good at it. So, he is sporty. I see myself as sporty and confident. Positive. Positive. It's important to be a positive person and believe that good things will happen. I would like to be positive and more relaxed. Creative. Creative. She is very creative. She is always thinking of new ideas and using her imagination. My friend is creative, bringing fresh ideas to the team. Outgoing. Outgoing. Do you think you are outgoing? Yes, I make friends easily. At parties, she is outgoing.